What's up, friends? Welcome back to the shop, and today we have right here the legendary Stabila 10-foot level. So I've been a framer for about 25 years now. This is easily the greatest level that I've ever used. I've always had cheap levels, I've had expensive levels, I even have 6-foot levels, but I have never had a 10-foot Stabila. Actually, this is the only Stabila I've ever had. It's fantastic because you can extend it to what you need. As you can see, you can just stretch it out to the length you need to go plate to plate, because if you've done any framing lately, you realize that lumber is terrible, everything's bowed, everything's crooked, so it gives you a truer measure of how plumb your wall is, and that's fantastic. And it's got the kickouts on it, so you don't even have to worry about the bow of a stud coming in or out. It actually, I'm sure there's a term for them, standouts, maybe, I'm not sure, but it can actually go from plate to plate. I've got to say, when I first started framing, even the crews that I was with, they all had just 4-foot levels. Some, just cheap fiberglass ones, and some good wooden Stanley ones, but you're still leveling with just a 4-foot level on an 8-foot wall. Years later, upgraded to a 6-foot level, which was good. It gives you a more accurate measurement on an 8-foot wall. 6-foot levels are really good for doors when you're plumbing in a door jamb. But this Stabila, because it's extendable, this works pretty well for door jambs too, because you can go from top to bottom, because door jambs also bow and warp. So the bunker here has 10-foot, 4.5-inch walls. They're 10-foot studs, so you've got 3 plates, single bottom, double top, and this thing can even plumb 10-foot, 4.5 wall. I've got one spot where I have available wall over in the corner, so let me take you over there and show you that. All right, sorry I got you in super view, but it's really the only way that I can get the whole height of this wall. So all you gotta do is take it, open it up, 8 feet, 9 feet, 10, 3, lock it in place. It's kind of nice, the thing's got the 4-inch base that it'll actually stand there by itself. You can see plate to plate on a 10-foot, 4.5 wall. And if you look close, you can probably tell I don't think we're very plumb. I don't know what idiot built this place, but we're gonna blame him. I'll put an Amazon affiliate link down in the description if you want to purchase one of these. They're $390, $400, but I think they're pretty well worth it. So I just wanted to make a quick video, talk about how great this Stabila level is, and I think everybody that does a lot of framing should get one. Now I'm going to ask you to hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and check out some of these videos. They even make a 12-footer if you really want to spend the big bucks.